Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our next groundbreaking training course, Breathing Apparatus SCBA. At AM Risk and Training, we understand the critical importance of staying ahead in the field of fire and rescue operations, especially when it comes to handling complex scenarios like aircraft and structural fires. Designed to refresh and enhance your knowledge, this course offers a comprehensive blend of theoretical insights and hands-on practical training. Over the span of 3 intensive days comprising 24 hours of rigorous learning, including an in-depth 30-minute examination and 8 hours of immersive practical training, you will delve into the intricate workings of breathing apparatus and emerge equipped with the expertise needed to tackle challenging situations with confidence. Our meticulously crafted curriculum is tailored to equip you with a robust understanding of the respiratory cycle, the composition of atmospheric gases, and the essential functions of self-contained breathing apparatus. From identifying the components of a breathing apparatus to mastering correct operation procedures, from understanding maintenance protocols to executing control board setups, our course covers it all. Knowledge is power, and through our meticulously structured knowledge objectives, you will not only grasp the theoretical underpinnings, but also gain practical insights into navigating through burning buildings, executing search and rescue procedures, and utilizing rope signals effectively during operations. Moreover, our skills objectives are designed to hone your abilities, ensuring you can confidently demonstrate correct operation procedures, set up control points with precision, conduct maintenance tasks effectively, and execute rescue procedures seamlessly. To ensure your mastery of the subject matter, our course culminates in a rigorous 30-minute final examination, featuring 9 objective questions, each carrying 16 points. With a pass mark set at 80%, we hold ourselves and our learners to the highest standards, ensuring that you emerge from this training as a certified expert in breathing apparatus operations. So join us as we embark on this transformative journey together, empowering you to navigate through the most challenging of scenarios with poise, precision, and expertise. At AM Risk and Training, excellence isn't just a goal, it's our standard. Let's elevate our capabilities and set new benchmarks in fire and rescue operations.